Is it possible for a man to chase you forever? Of course it is. Let's talk about it. Let's stop pretending. A man chases what he respects, not what throws herself at him, not what begs to be chosen. You don't win a man by chasing him. You win him by becoming a woman he doesn't want to lose. Let's talk about exactly what that means. Clear. Direct, no bull. If he knows everything from day one, there's nothing left to discover. He should earn your story. Not be handed your soul on the first date. Don't explain your every move. You don't owe him that. He hasn't earned it. Don't text back within seconds. Don't reveal all your wounds just to connect. Mystery is powerful. Mystery makes him curious. Curiosity keeps him interested. Be the woman he wants to figure out, not the one he already solved. Men don't chase what's easy. They chase what makes them better. You don't have to threaten to leave. Just know when to walk. Standards are not ultimatums. They are silent boundaries. Don't repeat yourself. Don't explain yourself. Just live the life that requires respect. If he wants you, he'll meet you there. Confidence is magnetic. You don't need him to tell you you're beautiful. You already believe it. You don't need him to validate your worth. You know who you are. The more you respect yourself, the more he's drawn to you. Confidence makes a man chase. Insecurity makes him retreat. Let me say that again. Confidence makes a man chase. Insecurity makes him retreat. When you need him to feel complete, he pulls away. But when you're complete without him, he moves closer. Men chase women who don't need them. They want to be wanted, not depended on. Have your own life. Have your own peace. Let him earn a spot in it. That's how you stay unforgettable. He should add to your life, not become your whole life. Don't drop your goals for a date. Don't shrink your vision to keep him comfortable. The woman chasing her purpose is the one he admires, because she's going somewhere. You want to keep him chasing? Let him see you growing. Let him see you winning without him. Stop over-explaining. Stop arguing and proving your worth. Stop begging him to see you. Silence is louder than words. If he disrespects you, go quiet. If he pulls back, don't chase. Silence says, I don't tolerate nonsense. I walk away from it. He'll hear your silence louder than your voice. You are not on call. You are not a backup plan. You are not available 24/7. Set boundaries. Don't respond immediately just because he texted. Don't cancel plans just because he called. Make him earn your attention. Men chase women who don't give their energy away for cheap. You can be soft and strong. You can be kind and unshakable. Feminine doesn't mean weak. It means power under control. Let him lead, but only if he's worthy. Let him love you, but never lose yourself in him. He'll chase the woman who's soft enough to feel but strong enough to walk away. Sometimes he needs to feel your absence to value your presence. Don't text first. Don't check in. Don't beg for closure. Disappear with grace. Let the silence teach him what your words never could. When a man feels the loss of you, he'll remember the value of you. The woman he chases forever, she elevates him mentally, emotionally, spiritually. You don't force him to change. You inspire him to grow. He is sharper with you, stronger with you, more driven because of you. Be the woman who doesn't lower the bar. She doesn't just talk standards. She is the standard. That's the woman a man can't forget. You want a man to chase you forever? Here's the truth. Don't chase him. Chase your growth. Don't need him. Stand in your wholeness. Don't lower your worth. Be the standard. And if he's the right one, he won't just chase you. He'll keep choosing you. Over and over. Not because you demanded it, but because your presence required it. Be the standard. Be the peace. Be the one who doesn't flinch when she's alone. Because she's never empty. She's full of purpose. And trust this, a real man will chase that forever. If you are done chasing, comment "done chasing." Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me, which truth in this video hit you the hardest? Turn on notifications so you never miss a video that feeds your mind and reminds you of your worth. Share this with a friend who needs to stop chasing and start becoming bound. See you in the next one.